morning class 3. How are you all? I hope staying safe at home and you are enjoying your online lessons on our YouTube channel. So, have you subscribed to our YouTube channel yet? I hope all of you have already done it. But if you haven't done it yet, so quickly go and subscribe to our channel, that is the Country School Pakistan. Very nice. So let's move on. Today we will learn about J sound. I'm sure you already know about it. The letter J produces the sound of J. Let's have few examples. Jacket. It begins with J. This letter J produces the sound of J. J. Like in jacket. Jeans. Jam. Wow, yummy. How many of you like jam in the breakfast? I really like it on a toast. Okay, so let's move on. Today we will learn about another J sound. Letters D, G, E. Letter D, G and E. When they combine together, they produces the sound of J. Yes, when D, G, E combines together, they produces the sound of J. But how? Let's see few examples. Like edge. Can you see J in it? No, but still it gives a sound of J. So how does this happen? The letter D, G, E gives the sound of J. So it becomes edge. Fridge. There is no J in the word, there is no J letter, but still it gives the sound of J because of the letter, the combination of D, G, E. When these three letters come together, they produces the sound of J, like in fridge. Can you think of some more examples which produces the sound of J with the help of D, G, E? Let me think for you. Judge. Yes, judge. D, G, E produces the sound of J and it becomes judge. Yes, it has got J at the start, that's why it produces the sound of J, and it has got D, G, E at the end, it also produces the sound of J, so it becomes judge. Badge. How many of you want to get the Prefect Badge? Huh? I know you all must be working hard in the school to get the Prefect Badge, the class representative badge. So, best of luck for that. I know you must be missing your school, but inshallah soon you will be there in your classes. So, badge, D, G, E. It also produces the sound of J. So, this is badge, giving the sound of J at the end. Let's have a quick wrap up of the words J sound ending with D, G, E. Edge, judge, badge, fridge, bridge. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, that is the Country School Pakistan. Stay at home, stay safe. Bye-bye.